Hello everyone, this is Lydia from Linbay-Machinery. Today I would like to share an exciting decision with you that Linbay-Machinery is planning a visit to all our customers in America continent in September and October. Our current planned route starting from Vietnam, then we will go to Canada, USA, Mexico, El Salvador, Paraguay, Ecuador, Colombia, Chile, and Argentina in over a period of 2 or 3 months. It's a great honor that I will be the representative and engineer will come together with me. We have 2 main purposes during this visit. First, we would like to check all the machines of our old customers if they are running well during the last 3 COVID years, which we offered the technical support online to help the customers install their machines and running their machines. And we would like to provide more technical support face-to-face to our customers. The next purpose is we would like to, during this visit, we think it will be more helpful to demonstrate our equipment professionalism to all the customers who are interested in our roll forming machines. If you are still interested in purchasing the roll forming machine, please leave me your company name and company address so that I can arrange the journey. I'm looking forward to your kind reply. Bye bye.